It is a bleak Thursday morning. It isn't raining, which is good because the forecast said it was. Today we're just going to bosh out as much of that repair as we can. Pat's in today as well. It's only me and Pat because Cam is off. So we're just going to literally try and boss mode it to get as much up as possible. Anyway, let's crack on with today. See you, bub. Oh no. Beautiful. Oh, hello. Just not the one. You're just not the one. Oh, that's coming down hard. I have run away. I have ran away from the wall because I'm allergic to rain. Now I was going to have a quick slurp of tea, get some waterproofs on because I think it's going to be one of them days today. It's literally just come down. It's actually just stopped now. So, but yeah, get some waterproofs on just to be safe, you know what I mean? But I suppose I'm already wet. You can only get wet once, can't you? But that's not too bad on this one. We'll just see how it goes. If it's torrential, we'll probably bin it. If it's just showers and a bit wet, we'll keep plodding on. Like, obviously it's a hybrid one, so a lot of the big stones are basically broke when the wall collapsed. So obviously with agreement with the clients and that, obviously we're going to use a bit of mortar. Just on the smaller stones, basically just make it hybrid, you know what I mean? We still peg it and stuff just like a true dry stone, but obviously just with a bit of mortar, like, so just bit quicker as well, like, you know what I mean? But no, it's all good really. So hopefully, fingers crossed, it stays like not too bad and we can get a full day in, like, you know, because well, I've only been in once this week, like, so because obviously we had a really bad risk of snow. Now it's sort of going up again, like, you know what I mean? It's about, what's it now, 9 degrees now, so it's not, you know what I mean? So we'll see how we go. Basically, obviously we'll keep the walls covered and stuff, but yeah, it's just one of them days really, just like fingers crossed the rain holds off and we can crack out some wool. Beautiful. Righty, let's slurp this down and see what happens, eh? What a day. You know what, really enjoyed it actually. It's been quite a long time since I've done a good day's graft with Pat. We're always on sort of separate jobs, you know what I mean? So it's, yeah, it's really good actually. It's, you know, got a good amount done. Bearing in mind we were literally just off the floor this morning. So yeah, like I say, we're just really getting our teeth stuck into this one. There's a few collapses actually along this wall, so that's why we're doing it so quick. I don't know what the future is with that wall, if it's going to be a total new rebuild, the whole, but it is a humongous wall. So like I say, we are just there just to get it up quick, basically. Just trying to fit it in between jobs, really. So, yes, no, like I say, it's been really enjoyable. Just getting on with it. Like I say, I do love these sort of jobs, like, you know, it's sort of bashing them in, getting them done, do you know what I mean? So, and like I say, it's going up quick, you know what I mean? So what's it today? Thursday. None of us are in tomorrow. So Monday, I believe it's just going to be me and Cam. Yeah, I believe Pat's on something else. So hopefully Monday, basically we've got to get it done by Tuesday, because Wednesday we start a totally new job, like, so we should get that done, you know what I mean? Like I say, we're trying to make it look as pretty as possible, but really just go for the strength, you know what I mean? Like I say, we're just sort of getting the lovely big stones in there dry, but obviously using a bit of mortar just to back it up, basically. And it's a good way of using the smaller stuff, because I believe at some point, well, some's gone this morning, some of the big stones actually being taken away, which I think is obviously then going to be some sort of rebuilds happening. I don't know the ins and outs, but anyway, like I say, we're just there, just bash this one up and get it done. Like I say, there is a few that we're going to get done sort of here, there and everywhere, do you know what I mean? But yes, it's been a good one. Weather has been all right. We have got a bit wet, done a few coat changes, but not too bad. It's actually been quite good. We went a bit dry stone towards the end there, just because it has absolutely just wafted it down, absolutely smashed it down. So we just thought, just to give the wall some protection, we just put some lovely, you know, the last of the big stuff we had basically on top, just sort of like weird through stones, do you know what I mean? It just sort of helps and stuff. But yes, it is all good, like I say. So roll on Monday, and yeah, we should be nearing the top Monday, hopefully. It has been a very good day. Anyway, thank you for watching. Take care. Have a good weekend, and I'll see you in a bit.